Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a huge makeup haul for you guys. So I got stuff from Sephora, some stuff from Ulta, some stuff from ColourPop, some things from Target, Walmart, you know the drill. So let's just get into it. So first we're actually going to start off with this stuff from ColourPop first. So after I made that one purchase that you guys have already seen from ColourPop, buying the Kathleen Light's Zodiac collection, I only bought like the eye thing and the lip thing. I think that's all I bought. I don't remember. So anyway, I actually made another purchase because I wanted to purchase this, which is the Zodiac palette. At first, I didn't see me using this at all. I just kind of figured like, you know, it's not like an everyday palette. I do like go to work and go to school, so it's not very neutral. I won't use it that much. But I just kept seeing swatches and like things of this, and I saw her do a everyday look, and honestly you can do an everyday look with this palette. And I already have her other palette, which is the Dream Street palette, and she said it was a great sister palette to this one, so I just had to buy it anyway. And I've been loving it. I think it's great. It's not what I have on my eyes today, but I have been wearing it almost every day and I've really been enjoying this. Then I also had to pick up the Super Shock Cheek in On the Cusp. This is also in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I've swatched this, but I haven't put it on my face yet, but it does look a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. So I can't really tell you if it works for my skin tone. I can later. I am pretty fair, so if this doesn't work for me, then it wouldn't work for you guys. But swatches online made it look like it would work for me. So I will be trying this and let you guys know if it works for my skin or not. But as of right now, I haven't tried it on my skin. And then I ended up getting the powder bronzer in the shade Private Party. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. My sister actually got this, and this is why I had to end up purchasing it for myself, is because it was so pretty. I borrowed hers, I put it on my face, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is it. I always thought it would be too like orange toned for my skin, but it actually turns out it works perfectly for my skin tone. And it's just amazing and beautiful. I don't have it on today, but I have been wearing the crap out of this bronzer. Wearing it every day. Love it so much. And then the last thing that I got from ColourPop is this highlighter. This pressed powder highlighter in the shade Here Kitty Kitty. This is the highlighter I have on today. If you can see it on camera, I'm not really sure. But this is such a beautiful highlight. I wasn't gonna buy it because I don't need more highlights. Like, obviously I don't need any more highlight. Again, my sister bought this when she bought Private Party, and I used it, and it was just so pretty and such a beautiful highlight. You can build it up to make it more blinding, or you can do more subtle. It's just so pretty. So from Ulta, I only got one thing from Ulta. And this is the Essie nail polish in the shade 60 Pinned Up. And this is just a beautiful, beautiful color. I feel like it's a very me color in a nail polish. I feel like I can wear this in the spring, the summer, and the fall. I just think it worked perfectly, and I've really been loving these Essie nail polishes in like the twisted bottles lately. You're gonna see that in a minute. And I did have a 30% off coupon because these are like $12 a piece, so it ended up making it like $8, which I thought was amazing. And so I did purchase this. So next is Target. And from Target, I did purchase another one of these Essie nail polishes because this was on clearance for $8. I don't know why, because everything is fine with it. But this one is in the shade 12 Lace Me Up. This is just a nice, pretty, like milky baby pink color. And I thought this would just look like perfect for like kind of like an everyday, or like if you had to go to something fancy and you wanted kind of like a more understated nail polish that could go with everything. I think this is the gal. I don't know, I've just really been loving these, so I purchased this one as well. And then I ended up just getting another backup of my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. This is my holy grail face powder. I use this all the time and mine ran out, so I had to get a new one. And lastly, I got this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Contour Stick in the shade Call Me Maple. I've heard Nicole Renee Cutler here on YouTube talk about this so many times. She is really into cream contour and I'm not really, but she's talked about this so many times that I was like, oh my gosh, I just need to purchase that already. So I did purchase this, and thanks Nicole, and we'll see how it goes. Next is something from TJ-Maxx. I only ended up getting one thing, but this is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm with purified water, shea, and vitamin E. I hadn't seen this before, except for at TJ-Maxx for the first time, but I opened it up and it looked really nice. And the e.l.f. packaging has like, they've they've really been doing great things in their packaging, although their prices are going up, but their packaging is so nice. I ended up getting this. It sounded really nice, just like a prep and hydrate balm before like makeup and stuff. So I mean, it just looked really nice. And yeah, so, and then I actually went to Target after I went to Tj-Maxx, and then I saw it in Target and I was like, oh, that's cool. But it was like $8 at Target and I paid like $2 at Tj-Maxx. I love Tj-Maxx. And then lastly from Ross, I got this Essie, again, gel contour set. And it comes with 2 nail polishes. So it comes with the 1 nail polish and then the top coat, which is the gel coat. And I thought this was an amazing deal because Essie nail polishes, like I said earlier, are like $12 a piece. And I paid $6 for both of these. So like at the store, if you're trying to get one of these sets, you're gonna end up paying like $20+ for it. But I found this one at Ross, like I said, and it was a great deal. So this isn't like a color I would normally like choose. I think it's really pretty. It is like kind of like a mint green, but it has like this metallic-y shift if you look at it really closely, like this glittery stuff in it. And I don't know, it's just really pretty, and I can't seem to get it out of this package. You probably can't tell that it's mint green because the light probably washes it out, but it is, and it's really pretty color. So alright, and lastly is Sephora. So I did go a little crazy at Sephora. I didn't, you know, it's crazy because you come out with like a few things and what you think might be like not a lot of money, it turns out to be like a lot of money. So anyway, I got a few things from Sephora and I did break my bank a little bit, but that's okay. So firstly, I got this Natasha Denona, which is so bougie. Like, I didn't think I'd ever own a Natasha Denona product. Natasha Denona Crystal Top Coat. So this is like so it's in like a little pot. There's like the little crystal top coat or like eyeshadow. It's really pretty. It's in the shade Gray Brown, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyelids today. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and I'm trying to see like if I like it and if I think it's worth it, because if not, I'm probably going to end up taking it back because it is kind of expensive. So I'm trying to determine if I do think this is worth the money or not, and I will let you guys know if I do end up returning it or not. But as of right now, I think it's really pretty. I'm just trying to see if I like it better than my Tarte one. Alright, next is another Natasha Denona product, and this is the Natasha Denona Mini Lila or Lila palette. This is so teeny tiny. Like, I've seen it on YouTube before, but I didn't realize how tiny it was until I saw it in person. I have had my eyes on this ever since they released it, just because I am a lover of purple shadows, and the Lila or Lila palette, whichever you say it, is the purple palette, and I just think this is stunning. I ended up putting this next to the Lila palette or Lila palette, however you say it, the full size one, and there are none of these colors are in that palette, which I was very confused about. But anyway, I thought these shadows were really pretty, and this was only $25. That does sound like a lot just for 5 little eyeshadows, but I have been wanting to try Natasha Denona shadows for a long time, but her palettes are extremely outrageously priced. So I did just get this one and just to try out her shadow formula and everything. So I'm really excited about this one. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to. The next thing I purchased is this Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. I was between a few different ones, but the guy at Sephora actually sold me on this. He said that it would last like a long time on your lips and keep them hydrated even though you might not see it on your skin. I purchased this and I'm really excited to use it. I haven't touched it yet, but I'm just really excited because I've been looking for something that's going to be really nice that would help my lips because my lips are always so chapped and just gross all the time. So I did purchase this and I'm excited to use it, and it wasn't too expensive for the amount of product that you get. You almost get like a full ounce and it was $20, which I felt like wasn't a bad deal because some of the other ones I was looking at, like lip masks and stuff, they were like 0.25 ounces for like 18, so I was like, wow, this is a better deal. And then lastly is something I've had my eye on for a while. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Brownie. Now, I've been looking for a really nice brown eyeliner for a long time. I do have the ColourPop Mr. Bing eyeliner, and I think it's great. It just doesn't last on my waterline. Most don't, so I am trying out to see if this does last on my waterline. If it doesn't, I might return it because I mean, if it doesn't stay put, it's not worth it. So anyway, I did pick this up and I have been looking at it for a while. It is on my waterline today. I haven't looked at it since I put it on to see if it's still there. And then lastly, I did just get a sample from Sephora. You can get samples if you didn't know that. And yes, I am always afraid to ask, but ask. So I did get a sample of the new Dior perfume? What? No, I did get a sample of the new Dior foundation. He put Backstage, Dior Backstage, is that the name of it? I don't really know. But yeah, so I did get that. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. And also let me know anything that you've picked up recently and if I should pick it up, because like you guys, I am a makeup lover and I love to get new products and test them out. So anyway guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.